beer. Oh, so many!
Yeah, oak.
Come on, baby.
Okay.
Yes, this were interesting now.
And this is
This were interesting here. This
Yeah, this
this
is the
were
one.
interesting. This
yeah,
one.
but that's a female, I guess, and that's
Yes,
the
this
male.
one. This one.
Ah,
That's the female tree. So that's the little oak, the oak seeds.
this is the oak
No, wait a minute.
There's a fruit. There's an Eichel.
fruit.
Yeah, oak. Oak.
Eichel.
Oak. But that's a different oak than the other one.
Ah,
You see the
okay.
different leaves.
Yeah.
And that's buche. I don't know in English.
Yeah.
That also makes seeds, and you can eat those seeds.
Ah,
Yeah, and pigs like to eat the
Is
oak.
oleander
so
also?
what's
Okay?
this? So many.
Yeah, that's different. That's this Weißdorn, I think. That's also good for the heart.
They have a red color inside. For to make tea, this is the one.
That's no. Yeah, you make tea, but right now they're not right. I don't know how they look.
Du sehen das richtig.
Huh?
Du seht ihr sehr the same.
Ah, okay.
And this is with the sweet zerbs.
Walnut.
Maple.
Ah, maple. Oh,
I
this
think
is...
it's maple, because the maples normally have leaves like that.
Okay.
And I think that's also it's a special oak.
Yeah,
That's-
yeah.
Yeah, that's the. But that's a different. I can't. Normally, what I told you is what the heck is it? I think it's a type. It might be a type of a prune actually, and not what I told you. Is there any stingy? No, because the Weißdorn has needles
This
or
were red.
stings.
This were red.
Ja, die meisten sind rot, aber Weißdorn weiß ich nicht, weil die Dornen auch wirklich haben. Und Weißdorn ist toll. It looks also like related to maple something.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Yeah,
always
oh
these,
yeah. The
these
same.
hands,
Yes.
but they have small leaves.
You see here more. Here, Eichel. But it were bigger.
And that also
Ah,
looks,
they were bigger.
yeah, because of the sun, because there's more sun.
Double or 3 times.
Really?
Cute, aren't they?
And can eat.
And that's also a wild prune, I think.
Ah, okay.
I wonder how all these plants got here. If they, that they planted something, or sometimes the birds bring these things along.
Oh yes.
They go and eat the fruits,
And then transfer to another place again.
yeah, exactly.
The
I mean,
seeds.
nature is.
How do you have a favorite bird? I saw fish over there. Oh, you did? It's very like fit, like this only. But I think it's not. But for here, if you say that, then that's big. Oh, now coming. See that? There's little ones over there. Oh, yeah. The feet. That's not ducks.
the muzzle.
Junge. Er hatte Enterricht, wa?
That might be Johanniskraut.
Must not see.
Can you see it?
Yeah. This the yellow.
I don't know if that's the real. But we come back this way,
Yep.
then we can go the other way. Like
Yeah.
Here. The red clover.
Oh yes. Nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
what I recognize, here's the white clover. That has total different effects.
Oh yes, different. Oh.
Babe, you got now on my hand.
Ich bin schuld.
There is more.
Nee, ich tue ja auch wieder mein Wissen ein bisschen auffrischen. Too much not good for your liver.
Oh, okay.
With some of the plants, you have to be very careful. You really... I don't know. And I right now it doesn't look nice because of the rain.
Yeah. They're sleeping.
Because normally they're nice and open, and now they kind of dangle down. And would be nice to see them when they're really open. Here's that Schafgarbe again, a lot higher.
Yeah.
And here's this other plant,
Oh yes, this different.
and that might be the Johanniskraut, what we've seen. And the Johanniskraut, what do? You put it in oil
Uh-huh.
and have it sit in the like a lizard.
Yeah.
It's not a snake, and a lot of people kill them, and there's hardly any left. Unbelievable that you saw it.
No.
But normally they also look lighter. I bet they might be different, you know, to the color of the ground. So unbelievable. No.
Yes. Timers and you can
Ah, okay. Only the black one can get. Then we,
red one too.
Well,
the red too?